That's where we can
Hello
move.
guys, we're about to call it a day today. I've been very busy since morning, attending to the lawyers, to the litigants. As you can see, I'm even feeling dizzy. Rounding up. So, ah, yes, how may I help you?
Yes, I have a little, findings to make from you, madam.
Okay.
There is this uncle of mine that has a land matter.
Mm-hmm.
The man acquired this land with a C of O, certificate of occupancy,
Mm-hmm.
and along the line, some other person came up to say the land belongs to him with perhaps a deed of conveyance or still a C of O or through community acquisition.
Okay, you're not sure of the
But
way
what
those
is
people, you're not sure of
yes, but what
how
I
they
am sure of is that
claim
my uncle is first in time
and
with
he
C of O.
with C of O.
Yes,
Okay.
and at the lower
Which
court,
means he has a better title.
that's what I believe. At the
Okay.
lower court, the court looked at the whole issue after they have profiled their evidence and all of that and
Mm-hmm.
entered judgment in favor of my uncle. But
Okay.
while the matter was ongoing
Mm-hmm.
at the lower court, that's the high court, the other party went ahead, built on the land, and rented out. Though both lawyers, that is the claimant and the defense counsel, did not apply for stay of action on the land pending
Okay.
determination of the case. The
Okay.
man built and rented. Now the judge gave his judgment that my uncle is entitled to the land.
Okay, which means your uncle won the
He
matter.
won the matter,
Okay.
and I do not know. Having won the matter now, the other party went on appeal. What do you think will ensure at the appeal stage?
Well,
And who, with that building on the land now, what do you think will happen?
as for the building, as for the building, since your uncle won the matter, whoever won the land, whoever owns the land also owns the property on it. No matter who built it, whether it was your uncle or the other party, because there's a principle called quick quick platito solo solo sedate. He who owns the land owns everything on the land. So the man who built certainly is losing that land to your uncle. That's for the judgment of the of high court, based on the judgment of the high court. Now him going to appeal, well, I can't say, since the matter is still in court, since the matter is in appeal court now, I can't really say. But for me, I think your uncle has a good title. He has a better title than the man. That is why he won in in high court. So I believe that judgment of high court will still be sustained in court of appeal.
Now, the next question. Having said all this now,
Mm-hmm.
the order of the court was in three reliefs, right? Or
Okay.
three limbs. One, that my uncle is the owner of the land.
Mm-hmm.
A cost of 200,000 naira was awarded against the other party,
Mm-hmm.
and a perpetual injunction restraining them from building, doing anything whatsoever on the land.
Okay.
In this regard, now, can my uncle execute this judgment?
Of
Is it
course,
declaratory or executory judgment?
one part, a part is declaratory and one part is executory, because that money has to be recovered. You understand? That money, he will still recover his money. He will recover all, everything. You understand what I'm saying?
That is, you're saying that the 200,000 naira costs can be executed.
Yes.
Then what about the perpetual injunction restraining party from building on now that
That's
they
a
have so built?
declaratory.
Now they have so
And
built.
the building belongs to your uncle, despite the fact that he wasn't the one who built the land. Built the house. For the fact that that land is his, Whatever that is on the land belongs to him.
Okay.
That is the law.
So, how long would that judgment last, assuming my uncle or anybody will want to execute it? That's
Last,
the declaratory, the executory part of it.
I don't
10
understand.
years, 5 years, or
Why will your uncle wait till that long before executing the judgment? Why?
one, maybe absence in the vicinity.
Okay, he's not in the country.
One of the reasons he was not very steady,
Okay.
right?